Hey guys, how are we doing today? Today's episode will be about fitting new filters onto your Mavic Mini or the likes of DJI Mavic, Pro, Air, Air 2. The procedure's all the same. So basically what I'm going to teach you is how to put it on a Mavic Mini, and you can then transfer that onto any other drone that you have. So I've got given SunnyLife filters. There's 4 filters in this pack. They came from Pisap72. He's another YouTuber. He's been doing this probably about a month or 2 longer than me, and I've actually got into flying Mavic Minis from him. So yeah, thank you very much for the filters. They're very much appreciated. Do go and check his YouTube channel and subscribe. He does very good cinematic videos, and he just travels around the UK in general. So you'll get to see a lot from his channel. So here we are. There's 4 filters in this one. We've got on ND4/PL, ND8, ND16 and ND32. Different grades of shade basically. You just choose on what day you got to use which one. So let's get on to this fitment procedure. Alright, if I just put the camera there, or shall I say, I'll put the camera here for you. You grab yourself the filter that you need to put on. What you want to do is you want to hold your gimbal on the side. Try not to touch the lens on your filter. There is a grill just on the back of the gimbal. That's where you're trying to put this back end into. And you'll hear it click. Just very gentle click. And there we are. That's that filter on. And to take it off, you just hold the sides again and you lift it off like so. And it's the same for any other filters. You basically hold the sides, hold the camera, push it on, you hear the click, that one's on, and then that's off. Okay. Right, thank you very much guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. I want to do a lot more with the Mavic Mini. Do the parabolic test, the Yagis test. I've actually made my own copper antennas. Admittedly, I tested them today and it's just high winds and they didn't really work that well. So I might see if I can modify this somehow. Other than that, yeah, do subscribe, tick the bell, so you know when I upload a new video. Yeah, and take care. Cheers guys.